Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the lock and trying legitimate recovery. First, locate the iPhone SE serial or IMEI and check activation lock status. This tells you if Apple ID is still linked. Once done, use iForget. Apple. Com to attempt a password reset for the Apple ID, follow two-factor prompts if offered. If you have access, ask the previous owner to sign into iCloud. Com, select Find My and remove the device. These steps avoid unsupported bypass methods and may immediately resolve the issue. If recovery and owner removal fail, you prepare to work with Apple. Collect the original receipt showing the device serial or IMEI and bring government photo ID that matches the buyer. Once done, schedule an Apple Store or authorized service appointment and open a support ticket. Get a reference or case number to track progress. Make sure you can present the device and paperwork in person because Apple verifies ownership before removing activation lock. This protects owners and ensures legitimate service. You finish by letting Apple complete verification and, if approved, remove the Apple ID lock. At the appointment, the technician will confirm the serial/IMEI against your receipt. Once cleared, they will lift activation lock so you can erase and set up the iPhone SE. After that, restore from backup or start fresh and sign in with your Apple ID. If Apple cannot verify ownership, make sure to pursue the seller or request a refund. Do not use third-party bypass services, which are unsafe and...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.